We all know children ask lots of questions about almost everything. And if you can't answer them, they might say, if you don't know something so simple, why do they call you grown-ups? Now, if they ask you, Mommy, what does speaking first and breaking the ice mean? Who said it first? Where does it come from? And who was the first person to break the ice? If you want to answer them quickly, let's go back in time to find out. Many years ago, ships had to travel through icy seas to trade goods and visit other lands. The ice was very thick, and the ships couldn't move forward. The sailors were stuck and worried about how to finish their trip. In those days, there were special ships called icebreakers. These ships were strong and built to break the ice. The icebreaker would move first, breaking the ice and making a path for other ships to follow. As the icebreaker broke the ice, the sailors on the other ships felt happy and hopeful. A journey that seemed impossible became possible, thanks to the icebreaker. Over time, people started to use the phrase, break the ice in everyday life. It means doing something to make things less tense or to start something. Just like the icebreaker, when someone breaks the ice, it makes things easier for everyone. For example, imagine you're at a party and you don't know anyone. It feels awkward. To break the ice, you can ask a simple question like, Hi, I'm Alex. How do you know the host? Or in a business meeting where no one knows how to start, the leader might break the ice with a funny joke or by sharing something interesting. This makes everyone feel more comfortable and ready to talk. Teachers also break the ice in classrooms. On the first day of school, a teacher might play a fun game to help students relax and get to know each other. So when you're in an uncomfortable situation, think of the icebreaker ships. Sometimes one small action can break the ice and make things easier for everyone. And that's the story of the phrase, break the ice. Next time you're in a tough situation, try to be the one who breaks the ice.